What if your next email paid your rent? Yeah, sounds like a scammy ad, right? But this is the story of Jake, a struggling blogger who went from broke and burnt out to building a six-figure side hustle, powered by nothing but a keyboard and a killer email list. Now, quick question, have you ever sent an email that made you money while you were watching Netflix in your pajamas? No. Well, Jake hadn't either, until one turning point changed everything. So grab your coffee, silence those distractions, because by the end of this story, you won't look at your inbox the same way again. Let's go. Meet Jake, 25, blogger, and flat out failing. He poured his soul into weekly blog posts, hoping traffic would turn into income. But instead, all he got was a traffic jam, of no clicks, no sales, and no future. Rent was due, credit cards maxed out, and one night, in a low moment, he Googled, "How do broke bloggers make money?" And there it was, email marketing. Jake almost laughed. Who reads emails anymore? He thought, but what he didn't know was this. Email has a $36 ROI for every $1 spent. That's not marketing. That's legalized printing money, and this wasn't just theory. Jake was about to test it. Jake dove deep. He learned how to create lead magnets, craft irresistible subject lines, and set up a welcome sequence that felt like a personal conversation, not a pitch. He started giving away a free PDF, 10 mistakes bloggers make and how to fix them fast. People signed up. 10, 50, 500. Jake was building an email list, an asset he owned. No algorithms, no guesswork, no social media burnout, just direct connection to people who wanted to hear from him. And then it happened. He sent his first affiliate email. "Hey, if you liked my blog post on traffic hacks, this tool will 10x your growth. I use it daily." He hit send, went to walk his dog, and when he came back, $237. Made while doing absolutely nothing. That wasn't luck, that was leverage. Jake turned email marketing into an income engine. He created a weekly newsletter, Blog Boss Weekly, offering real value, mixed with strategic offers. Each email, a conversation with his tribe. Each click, a step closer to freedom. Soon, he automated his funnel. People joined his list. They got value-packed sequences. And Jake, he was making money, on autopilot. But here's the kicker. He wasn't a marketing bro. He was just a guy who learned how to build trust, at scale. And in 6 months, his inbox wasn't full of spam. It was full of Stripe notifications, testimonials, and thank you messages. Not bad for a guy who almost gave up, huh? Now, you're probably thinking, okay, sounds good for Jake, but what about me? Great question. What if the next $10,000 side hustle didn't start with a business plan, but with your next email? In the next video, you'll meet someone else who made a decision. $1,000 on beer, or $10,000 side hustle. And trust me, you'll want to see what he picked. Right finger tap the video on screen. $1,000 on beer, or $10,000 side hustle. This student chose right, because opportunity doesn't knock, it lands, in your inbox.